Hi, I'm Ron Heller. Welcome to this website. Now, I know that if you've landed on this web page, you're probably not very happy with your web presence and your website, the way they are performing right now. Maybe you're not getting the amount of traffic and leads that your website is supposed to bring you to your business to enable you to have more customers and to have more job done for your customers. Now, the presence of your website as well as other online assets that you have, like your YouTube channel, like your Google reviews, like your Google rankings, like your Facebook page, and so on, they all need to work together and to correlate in order for you to get the maximum benefit out of them, for you to be able to get maximum leads, maximum traffic, and maximum positive reputation for yourself and for your business online. So if these elements are not correlating well, are not performing well as of now, then your business will suffer because you won't get as much traction as you can, as much business as you can from those web assets that you already have. So, what I'm an expert of is being able to revamp, convert, and improve those web assets that you already have in order for you to get the amount of traffic, amount of leads, amount of business that you can and should get from your web presence without investing too much of without lots of money, without lots of money invested, lots of effort or time invested. You can do many things that you can do really right now and see the effects within days. So uh, my purpose for recording the video is to have you fill out the little form that I have below this video. And if you fill out this little form, we can have a 15-minute chat over your business. I'm going to look into your business. I'm going to look at your website. I'm going to look at your other web assets like your Facebook, like your LinkedIn, like your YouTube, whatever it is, your rankings, whatever it is that you have already online. And I'll make recommendation according to my observation, according to my experience with after seeing and dealing with hundreds of websites for different types of businesses. And there's so much that you can do to improve what you already have. You don't have to reinvent everything. You just can take whatever it is you have right now and improve on it and get hundreds of percent increase in your business and in the leads that you can generate from your current situation. So just fill out the little form below this video, choose a good time for us to chat. I'll ring you and we can have a nice conversation about your business. You can take all the information I give you on in this talk, uh, just take it for free. I won't charge you for it. It's a free call. You can take all that information and implement it yourself or with someone that you already know that does web work. And I don't mind because this is something I do. I love talking to business owners about their web presence. And of course, not going to hard sell you anything. And at the end of the call, if it suits both of us, we can discuss the opportunity of us working together to improve your current situation or current web performance. So fill out the form. My name is Ron Heller. I'm going to be waiting for our call. So just fill the form and we'll talk very soon. Bye bye. Take care and talk to you soon.